it got over 600,000 visits just recently, right? It was getting a little bit under 500,000. It jumped over 500,000. So this is a very serious site. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very, very underground method for promoting all kinds of CPA marketing offers. This is a super unique method that a lot of people don't talk about it, and nobody else is going to be teaching you this. All right, so make sure you pay close attention, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can tweak this method to promote pretty much any kind of niche and make a bunch of money with CPA or affiliate marketing. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to OfferWorld, right? You can just go Google for OfferWorld. You're going to see it as the first result, and you're going to go to this page. Now, what OfferWorld allows you to do, it allows you to see what kinds of offers out there on different affiliate networks. Okay, so you can go to Max Bounty, you can go to somewhere else, but I'm going to be using OfferWorld. Okay, and so if you go into categories, and one of the easiest niches to get started with is typically going to be surveys. I know a lot of people have been asking me, James, I want to do surveys. Which offers can I promote? There's lots of surveys. Which offers work? Okay, so we're going to choose surveys here. The other thing you can do is you can choose Max Bounty if you want, and you're going to see different survey offers inside of Max Bounty. And typically the way this works is that you send the link to a user, to a customer, and they fill out surveys, and they're going to be making money, and you're going to be making money. So we're all going to be making money. And this is a great way to get started, because you don't need the person to buy an expensive product. They don't need to buy, $1,000 mattress or deposit $10,000 into a crypto service or a Bitcoin wallet, etc., etc. So this is a really easy way to get started. When I started out with CPA marketing some years back, this is what I got started with. So I recommend this for pretty much everybody. But the problem is you don't really know what kind of offers to promote. What exactly do you promote? What are good offers? What are bad offers? And this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you using reverse engineering. Really, really solid method. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google or Bing, and you want to type something like top 10 survey sites. And the reason we're doing it is there's a lot of sites that are basically blogs, and they are, make money online blogs or work from home or entrepreneur blogs, and they have these lists. And one of the lists they typically have is survey sites. They have other lists, maybe sweepstakes, maybe 10 best mattresses or anything else, but we're looking for survey sites. So there's a lot of lists here. There's a lot of results. There's a lot of sites. But what we're going to do is we're just going to keep it simple, and we're going to hit this first link here. So when we click on this link, this is the page where you see. This is the site where you see. This is a site called Millennial Money. We're going to open the homepage because I want to understand what I'm dealing with, right? What kind of site this is. This is good for competitive research. Let's say you want to start a site like this. It's always a good idea to kind of see what they're doing, right? 50 things I've learned about money, etc., etc. But let's go back to this side. Now, if we scroll down, we have a list. Actually, 16 legit survey sites. We were only searching for 10, but we got a bonus. We have 6 more, so we have 16. So we can kind of browse around. Now, one thing you guys got to understand, okay? If we go to SimilarWeb, which is an analytics site, it's an analytical service, and you enter Millennial Money inside SimilarWeb, you're going to see that this site that we just stumbled upon using a very simple Google search is a very, very big site, right? It got over 600,000 visits just recently, right? It was getting a little bit under 500,000. It jumped over 500,000. So this is a very serious site. And this is a site in a very serious niche, because make money online is not like a vlog, a travel vlog, or a cooking or anything like that. This site is, there's a lot of money in it, right? It's a make money online site. So let me put it to you guys this way. For it to be ranked up here, one of the first results on Google for a very competitive search, they must have spent a lot of time and or a lot of money in order for it to reach that level. And so as a result, the list that they created a list based on their own experience of sites that are making them the most money. Remember, this is a business. They spend a lot of time, a lot of money in order to have this page, and in order for this page to rank on the first page of Google for a very competitive search term. So as a result, they are making money with this. If they weren't making money, they would have something else here. So you guys got to understand that this is very, very important for you guys to understand that. So as a result, you can bet that Swagbucks, best overall, this site here, they want you to sign up, and it's #1 on their list. They're probably making the most amount of money from this site, as opposed to Inbox Dollars, as opposed to Live Points, but still, they're making money with all of these. It's just they're probably making more money with this one than with this one. More money with Inbox Dollars than, something like Valued Opinions. More money with Live Points than with Harris Poll Online, simply because the way they have the site structured. You guys got to understand that when you're browsing the internet, obviously you can email them and say, hey, are you making more money with Swagbucks than Google Opinion Rewards? But probably they're not going to tell you, right? It's a state secret. It's a business secret. You can try it. Maybe they'll tell you. But, you can bet, you can bet a lot that typically they're going to be making money with Swagbucks than some of the other sites. Now, the next thing you guys want to do is you want to go back to OfferVault and you want to Google for these offers. So if I type Swagbucks, I want to make sure, I want to promote it because I know they're making money with it, but I want to make sure this is actually an offer I can find somewhere. Okay, so if I type Swagbucks, we have a lot of results. Okay, so it's there. You can just, join the network. There's Max Bounty. Swagbucks surveys multi-geo, you can do that. So let's try Inbox Dollars. So I know Inbox Dollars is definitely there. Inbox Dollars. Okay, so we have Inbox Dollars US, Max Bounty 280, and so you can do that for the rest of these offers. And rest assured, they're going to be there. At least the majority of these offers are going to be in Max Bounty or somewhere else. So you can go and promote them. Because if you cannot find these offers, you cannot promote them. So the rest of this video is not going to make any sense. It's not going to be applicable. But, most of these offers are going to be there. I already checked before making this video, so you can rest assured they're there. All right, so the next thing you guys want to do is you want to go back to Google or Bing. I'm using Bing most of the time. And you can Google for this term called Scrape Similar Chrome plugin or Chrome extension. And this is going to be the first result here. We're going to open it up. And as you can see, it says here, remove from Chrome. And that is because I added it to Chrome. I always have this extension. I use it several times a day. I use it all the time. And so yours is going to say add to Chrome. Okay, once you add it, you want to go back to that list of sites and you want to right click and you want to go in here. You want to hit Scrape Similar. Once you do that, you're going to download a list of these sites. Now, we're going to do this a couple of times, but I'm going to show you what you need to do. We're going to hit copy to clipboard, okay? And then we're going to go and we're going to create a new Google Sheet. So here I am in Google Sheets. I'm going to hit blank, okay? And we just created a brand new Google Sheets. We're going to call these CPA. You can call it whatever you want. And we're going to hit Control-V, and that's going to paste it. The next thing you want to do is you want to go back to your Google Sheets and you want to enter a couple of more columns, right? So maybe a description, okay? Maybe eligibility. Maybe payout. Something like this, more fields. And last but not least, you want your affiliate link. It's going to be something like this, or you can do affiliate. Maybe you're going to have other links there, okay? So we're going to space it out. And here's going to be a description. So you can go back here and you can just copy and paste this first paragraph. That should be enough. And I highly recommend you guys to paraphrase it. Do not just copy and paste it, paraphrase it. It's not very hard. And what you want to do is you want to select this column. You want to go into Format, Wrapping, and you want to do Clip. Because otherwise, or you can do, you want to do Wrapping, you can do Wrap. Yeah, Wrap is going to be too much. Let's do Wrapping, let's do Clip. Because otherwise it's going to overflow and it's going to be a mess. Okay, you can even expand it, something like this. And you're going to go and you're going to do the same for Inbox Dollars, right? Copy. You're going to go in here, paste. Paste. And you're going to, it's all going to clip because that setting is for the entire column. Eligibility, same thing. We're going to go in here. We're going to copy this for Swagbucks. They've done all the work for you. You just gotta know, how to do it correctly, right? How to find this information. So we're gonna go in here. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing. Select this column, data, format, wrapping, clip. Okay, and we're gonna go to inbox dollars and inbox dollars. There we go, eligibility. Gonna go back here, copy and paste. All right, and the payout, you're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna put random stuff here. I'm gonna put 5, 10, and you wanna select this column and pick a $sign. And then your affiliate link. So I'm gonna put, a random site, macrumors.com, one of my favorite sites. Maybe you guys like it as well, cool site. And we're gonna do it for everything. Now you wanna do it for all of this, right? So I'm just gonna copy and paste. I'm just gonna copy and paste, and you're gonna fill it out. And now you have this information in a very, very solid format, okay? You have this information in very, very good format that you can use for the next step. Now for the next step, you can simply Google for spread simple. It's actually one word, but making it 2 words is easier. Spread simple. It's gonna be the first result. Another thing you can Google is Pori.io. So Pori.io, basically these are site platforms that allow you to create a site from Google Sheets, okay? Very, very simply. So we have spread simple here. We're gonna open it up. I already have a dashboard because I'm logged in already. You're gonna go in here. You're gonna create your free account and you're gonna have a screen that looks something like this. We're gonna hit plus. And before you do that, you wanna go and you wanna share it that it's available using the link. So not only private to me, using the link. This is kind of what you want. You wanna pick this option. We're gonna copy it. We're gonna go to spread simple and we're gonna paste it. We're gonna hit continue. Once we do that, basically it's gonna go out and it's gonna create a site for us. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna configure these fields. So if you go back to your thing, we have text. This is actually name, description. This should be actually the name of the offer, the name of the service. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna pick text, and now it's here. Subtitle, we're gonna pick description. Price, we're gonna pick payout. And text, we're gonna remove. And you're gonna go scroll down, buy button, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna choose your affiliate link. So now it's gonna say buy, but we don't want it to say buy. We want it to say join now. Something like this. You can also change the color of this. So maybe make it light blue. Blue is my favorite color. Maybe do something like this. Another thing you wanna do is you wanna go to design and you want to go to homepage intro. You want to click this button and you want to type something like dollars, make money. So something like this. Yeah, maybe something. And now you have this. You can change that. Make money with surveys. There you go. And now you have a website that you can publish to the internet and you can promote it. You can promote it on, Facebook, groups, Twitter, forums. You can just leave it. Google is going to index it and you're going to be getting organic traffic. But in order for you to do that, you want to hit publish and you want to name it surveys 2020, 2022, save, and now it's published. You're going to open it up and now your site is live, right? Your site is live. Now you can create multiple sites. You guys can go back. You can work this method any way you want, right? I'm typing top 10 survey sites. You can do top 10 sweepstakes sites. You can do top 10, whatever niche you want. You can simply go to OfferWorld and you can look at different categories, right? Top 10 betting sites, top 10, if you want to do casino, crypto. And that way you can find sites that already exist, that are already ranked very, very highly for Google. And they're promoting the offers that are making them the most money. Remember, they're businesses. And so they're only going to promote offers that are out there making the money. And so this is kind of what I recommend. And this way you can find stuff that makes money. It's like being a spy that you can go out and you can find content that makes money. All right, guys? So you can try any niche that you want. If you try the niche or if you're thinking about trying a specific niche, but it's not working, let me know in the comments below and I can go out and I can check if I can help you out with that. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.